Hello and welcome to the lecture series on power electronics. In today's lecture, we would be looking into rectifiers, which are basically a type of power converters which convert AC voltage into a DC voltage. So in this short lecture, we would be seeing the basic classification of rectifiers, and in subsequent lectures we would be taking up each of the types of rectifiers in details, and we would be analyzing it in details. So let's start. So basically a rectifier is a type of power converters which convert AC voltage into a DC voltage, and it can be classified as uncontrolled rectifier and controlled rectifier. Uncontrolled rectifiers normally employ the diodes in the converter circuit, which converts a AC voltage into a DC voltage. But when we are using uncontrolled rectifiers, as the name suggests, we are not in a position to control the output voltage. While in case of a controlled rectifier, we employ thyristors. Or more specifically SCRs, the silicon control rectifiers, for controlled conversion from AC to DC. And as the name suggests, controlled rectifiers has the ability to obtain a DC output voltage which could be controlled. Okay, let's see further classification of the two types of rectifiers. So uncontrolled rectifier again can be classified into a single phase and three phase rectifier. Similarly, the controlled rectifier also can be classified as single phase and three phase rectifiers. Again, each of these single phase and three phase rectifiers can be further classified as single pulse or two pulse, single pulse or two pulse, or it is also called half wave, and this two pulse is also called full wave rectifier. And we can further classify the full wave single phase uncontrolled rectifier as this full wave can be obtained with the help of what we call center tap configuration, or we could have what we call bridge configuration. Similarly, the three phase counterpart of the uncontrolled rectifier can be classified as three pulse or six pulse rectifier. Okay. In six pulse rectifier, we normally employ the bridge configuration, while the three pulse uncontrolled rectifier normally employ your transformer configuration. Similarly, if we talk about the controlled rectifiers, in controlled rectifier also we can classify it in the same fashion as the uncontrolled rectifiers. So single phase can be classified as single pulse or half wave rectifier, or it could be 2 pulse or full wave rectifier, while the 3-phase rectifier, control rectifier, can be classified as 3 pulse or 6 pulse, and the 6 pulse is normally your bridge configuration. So we would be looking into the detail of each of these types of rectifiers, and we would be analyzing them in our next video. Thanking you for watching the video.